Welcome back, everybody. It's time to close out 2023. Normally we have a tradition of burning the prior year's brush piles kind of during this time, just before New Year's. We close out the old year and get ready to welcome the new. This year, though, we just have not got enough snow yet to light anything up. So until that happens, we'll just keep it here. We'll get to it eventually. But that means we have to do the year-end recap a little bit differently this year. I've got a couple of episodes, this being the first of two. We've got some never-before-seen footage on the feed that I want to use for this one. Kind of a way to wrap up a year that, for me, ended way too soon. So, hope you all enjoy.
Now the seats are all empty. Let the roadies take the stage, pack it up and tear it down. They're the first to come and the last to leave, working for that minimum wage. They'll set it up in another town. Tonight the people were so fine, they waited there in line, and when they got up on their feet, they made the show. And that was sweet, but I can hear the sound of slamming doors and folding chairs. That's a sound they'll never know. I roll them cases out and lift them amps, and haul them trusses down and get them up them ramps. 'Cause when it comes to moving me, you know you guys are the champs. But when that last guitar's been packed away, you know that I still wanna play. So just make sure you got it all set to go before you come from my piano. But the band's on the bus, and they're waiting to go. We gotta drive all night and do the show in Chicago or Detroit, I don't know. We do so many shows in a row, and these towns all look the same. We just pass the time in the hotel rooms and wander around backstage.